Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transform into a pumpkin. So if you're looking for Halloween makeup ideas, then just keep watching. Starting with the eyes, I'm just stamping a black eyeshadow roughly all over the lid and then also all the way along the lower lash line. And then using an orange eyeshadow, I'm literally just blending that roughly all around the edges. Now I'm taking an even lighter orange eyeshadow and blending that all around the edges again, but this time with a really fluffy brush. Now we're going to start drawing the details. So I've just drawn a kind of outline like this using a black water activated face paint. By the way, you can also use an eyeliner, and we're just going to fill that all in with the black face paint. Now I'm using a super flat brush to do this, and we're going to start elongating these lines down like this. So you just want to literally kind of swipe the brush downwards like so. With the excess paint on the brush, I'm just dragging that down under the eyes and then also up like that. Now for the mouth, I've drawn this really random outline, so just kind of like make U shapes, big, small, etc. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to fix this later, so just do a rough guideline. Then we're just going to start filling that all in. And then we're going to do a similar thing from the chin upwards, just draw some lines like this. Then use the black paint to paint all under the chin. Okay, I kind of look like a Teletubby. I don't know why, but this is where it's going to come to life. So I'm taking an orange eyeshadow on a really small little flat kind of fluffy-ish brush, and we're blending that eyeshadow all around the black like this. Just really softly back and forth. You don't have to be very precise. Literally wherever you've used the black face paint, you're just going to go around with the orange eyeshadow. Right, now it's time to do the nose. So I've drawn the outline, then I filled it in, and now we're going to go around the edges with some orange eyeshadow again. We're almost done. We're just going to add some drips down the neck. So what you want to do is you want to load up your brush with loads of black paint and then take some water and just kind of spray that so that it drips down the neck. I added some liner and lashes, and now I'm going to slick my hair back, and I'm going to use some mousse to do that. I actually want it to look quite crazy and messy like this, and now I'm actually going to take some black face paint and bring that all the way up into the hairline and actually like on the hair. Last thing I'm gonna do is paint my eyebrows black. And this is the finished look. I am now a pumpkin. Let me know what you think in the comments.